Hmm. So now I'm feeling bad now. Why? Because of using that foul language, pimping and all those stuff. So look, this is when I feel bad now. So, so I apologize. I'm sorry for using foul language, but look, the stuff which is happening, invading my privacy, huh? Making my nudes, huh? Over that, stealing my stuff, then getting into my house and doing that FBI shit. What was that FBI shit? Huh? What is this happening? So any guy will go crazy. I'm not that crazy. They getting this right. So much. If any, no one can tolerate this. I'm tolerating because I have to stay quiet until I reach the real cause, the one who started this. I have to make a nice example of that. Everyone will see what example I do, what do I do with people. So that's why I have to stay quiet. The one who started this is going to die a horrible death. So anyways, good people are also dragged into this, and I said so that I feel like my paranoia has dragged a lot of people, and I said sorry for that too. But the FBI shit, getting into my house and what do you call it? The diary thing. The moment I went out of the house, the people who used to come inside my house, they were shouting about the diary. As if the diary, uh, what nonsense is this? Already they have the clone keys. They are entering my house and they are doing stuff. That means you know, right? Who has the clone keys? Everyone knows, right? Who has those clone keys? And over that, they want to call themselves as the FBI, the fake FBI. Do they have really? They have any knowledge what has happened? While I was in Chembur, there were threats that we got his email ID. What do you call it? Let's do a bombing. That kind of shit threats I used to get. I made a lot of noise. I was dropping that letter to embassy. Many of them tried that I shouldn't drop it. I went till the embassy, BKC. I don't want that stuff, my name connected to anything. I'm not to be blamed for any stuff happens. So I went to BKC till BKC, but somehow people over there, no, it might be some prank and all that stuff. So I went till there. It's a classic fake up. What do you call it? Is this some kind of joke? You have taken advantage. There are bad people who are gonna do bad shit in the world. They are gonna use that email ID and they're gonna fuck someone's happiness, which is gonna link to me, and I have to point the finger that look, I went to the police station. I did everything. Who is the one? You find it out. That the one who did that, whatever the garbage they do, lethal, illegal, whatever the dangerous stuff they do, it will all be blamed on your head. This is a dangerous game. Imagine if any terrorist take advantage of this situation, then be myself. What be myself? What more should I give it to you? Huh? What more do you want to see? Anyways, you stripped me away. You people been filming me nude, recording me, watching me from the front cameras, right? What more do you want? any shit is gonna. I feel sorry for myself, not for. I'm not a self pity fellow. I'll fucking should bang their happiness, the one who started this. But the real case is, if something goes wrong, what you're gonna do? Severe things happen. Shit just get for real, like bombing or some kind of stuff. What you gonna do then? People have already taken advantage. Police is compromised towards this situation. Terrorists will, what do you call it? Terrorist organizers, Naxalites are there. So many people will take advantage of this situation. There will be legal, what do you call it? Extortion till, what do you call it? Ransom and criminal crime activities, which will be, you people will be in trouble. I won't. I did my part of informing and stopping everyone from doing this. And letting me live whatever peace, wild, whatever I was, let me be there. Whatever my stage was, let me be there. Whatever I was doing. Did I ask anything? Nothing. So I feel sorry for using abusive language because this shit is no fine. This shit is damn ugly. And me, if you speak about that, yes, of course, I had to find that racket. That racket is connected, the Chembur racket. You have no clue what stuff happens there. Bombay is worldwide, it's famous in the entire world because of dark shits. It is well. And I fucking went out alone to find that dark shit. And I did find that dark shit. And you have no idea what kind of politician, what kind of gangsters are involved. I request that don't do any stupid thing. What was that FBI thing and who entered my house? Who entered this flat? And defamed me of what? Huh? Who had those clone keys? You, right? The way you stole it, the way you kept it. Everyone knows this. This is nothing but nonsense. So, look, any guy will go crazy. I don't feel, what do you call it? And they won't feel bad for abusive language. And I feel bad for my foul language. So don't fucking do it. Be good. 1,000 times I said be good. So, this song has to play right now. So, be good, and I'm sorry for using foul language.